Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to another session of Tech Tablet with Varun Rao. In today's session, the topic is scripts again. Now, this is part 2 of scripts wherein I've come up with some more questions on SAP scripts. And you all know the aim of the session. This needs no separate explanation. It is to look at the frequently asked SAP ABAP technical questions, how to answer them in particular, and what are the business expectations that you might have from the employer towards or from an SAP ABAP developer, right? So now that we have the new wave of vacancies coming up and now that it's round the corner, I would ask you to be prepared well in advance, as the trend is changing nowadays. It's getting difficult day by day to satisfy the interviewer, and it's getting difficult day by day to come out with a job successfully. With the competition increasing, salaries decreasing, and companies slashing out employees like as if I don't care attitude, it's very important for us to equip ourselves with the latest technologies, with the latest hows and whats and whys. And it's not just the knowledge that would help you get a job. Please remember this. There are many other factors that are considered. Even if a person of mediocre knowledge but other skills of extraordinary nature, if he gets selected, then there is no need for any of you to get shocked, because there's a lot of people back there who are technically much superior, and it's not that companies are short of brilliant guys or brilliant candidates. They're just looking for more people, and in this journey they would employ people who are bright, and they would employ people who have the potential to go forward. So keeping all these in mind, I want you to review not only on your technical knowledge but also on how you talk, how you are able to present your technical knowledge, as that's the most important part, and also if you're able to justify your work experience or not. So now in this pursuit, let us just begin our topic, that is scripts part 2. So the first question that I have for you is, how can you pass the data to script from print program without using the FM, that is write form? So after accessing the function module open form, we can declare the global data directly and it can be accessed from here. Okay, so you do not have to pass the data to the script, from print program every time, using a write form only. No, it's not required for us to do it that way. The second one, how do you develop SAP scripts in multiple languages? Quite often asked question. In SE63, the T code, you click translation. Here you have long text. In that you have SAP scripts. In that you have forms. So here you can develop the scripts in multiple languages. The third one is, how do you convert scripts or script spool request into PDF? Now this is using RSTX PDF T4. Okay, so just remember that you have PDF word included in that also. RSTX remains common. So yeah, it's RSTX PDF T4. Even if you are able to reach 80% of this command, then I think they would be able to accept it. But if you're saying something way different from this, then you would land yourself in trouble. The fourth one is how to attach the PDF file and send it through an email. So here you have a standard function module, a standard FM that is used, that is SO underscore new underscore document underscore ATT underscore send underscore API1. Okay, and it is used to attach the PDF file and send it through an email, and this email would most probably be the Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so I hope you got the function module. It is so underscore new underscore document underscore att underscore send underscore API1. All right, so this is the T code that you've got to, sorry, this is the function module that you've got to remember, or you can Google, but then in an interview you wouldn't be able to Google, so yeah, just keep it in your mind. The fourth one, how to format date, time and country in scripts. Okay, so this is pretty easy. The commands you have: set date mask, time mask, set country. So all these can be used in order to format the date, time and country. Not very important or very tough. Explain about form routines. So you have the form routines, that's perform and end perform, which are used to add the additional functionality to SAP script forms without changing the print program. The sixth question is, what are the transaction codes or T codes associated with scripts? So on the left you have the T codes, on the right you have the description. You have NACE, NACE, that is the output type maintenance. Then you have SE71, which is the form painter. SE72 for form style, 73 for font maintenance, 78 is for graphics or logo, SE63 is for translations. We've just talked about SE63, and then you have SO10, which is for standard text. So we'll just go through the T codes again. It is NACE, NACE, SE71, 72, 73, 78, SE63, and then SO10. So these are the various T codes that are associated with scripts. How do you identify the driver programs based on the form name? One of the favorite questions is what you can say. So you execute S11. Here you open the table, that is TTXFP, and you click on display. Okay, then you click on the contents. You provide the form name and execute and identify the driver program. Guys, just wanted to tell you this, most of the questions that I've posted here are not just copy pasted from random places. These have been asked about, these have been I've actually spoken to a lot of people. I've collected this from random interviewers. Some are directly from my own interview questions, some are the questions that I have faced in my interview, some are the ones I've asked in interviews. So yeah, it's a mixed bag of real time and also from the perspective of an interviewer. So whenever you're watching these videos, I would request you to make a note of them just in case if you have never heard of it, and also do the required bit of research like TNAPR. It is not required or it is not necessary for everyone to understand or remember this T code or this table or any program or a function module or be it whatever. So whenever you are watching this video, I would request you to open another tab parallelly or simultaneously, and you can keep googling immediately. And the more you google, the more you gain, because when you are researching about something, it is always contagious. You go for X, you also get information about Y and a bit about Z. So that is how it goes, and that is how information is gained. And this relative knowledge, this bits and pieces that you're learning from here and there, would make a big time difference when you face your interviews. So keeping this in mind, I want you to streamline your preparation as and when it is required, the way it is to be done, right? Yeah, so then it is eighth question, what are the fields in ITCSY structure? So on the left hand side I've given the fields, and on the right hand side I've given the description, that is the name, which is the symbol name, and you have value, which is the symbol value. So these are the fields in ITCSY structure. If you do not know about this, please google what is ITCSY structure and write in the comments below. The same would apply for the table, that is TTXFP. Search about it and write it in the comments below. In this way we would also be able to help each other. There would be a lot of other people who would be watching this, and they would also go through the comments, and in this way we would all be helping each other. The ninth question is how to find print program and find if an output type is given using the NACE, the NACE T code. We've just seen what a NACE T code is. It is to maintain the output type, okay, the output maintenance, okay, or the standard table TNAPR. What is TNAPR, guys? If you do not know, or even if you know, I would ask you to write about the standard table in the comments below. So in this standard table or using the T code NACE, we find form and print program names. Even that way we can go through them. And the last question is how to convert the language from German DE to the required language. So you have the T code, that is SC71. You click on it, then you go to utilities, you convert the original language, you provide the language required, that is English. You have American in brackets, you select that, and then you press on enter. So this is how you do it. So I hope you have enjoyed watching the session. Do remember to research each and everything you do not know, and if there's anything that you do not know, please post it in the comments below. If there's anything you think that needs further explanation, please post it in the comments below. This way we would all be helping each other. So thanks a lot for watching. Do stay subscribed and tuned to Tech Tablet Daily Dose, as there's a lot of videos and a lot of knowledge yet to be exchanged between us. I hope you have a great day ahead. Have fun. Thanks a lot for watching.